Hey guys, it's time to debunk a flat earth argument.
Let's start off with the fact that this guy uses hypothetical scenarios constantly to prove that the Earth is flat. Strike one. The elevator scenario doesn't even make sense because it's making the assumption that the Earth moves upwards and that every time we jump there's no way of knowing if the Earth is moving up towards us or if we are falling down towards it. If we were moving upwards every time someone on this Earth jumped, I'm pretty sure we'd no longer be on the orbit of the Sun. Jeez.
This guy is also talking about the equivalence principle, which is where the gravitational mass is always equal to the inertial mass. He says that because this happens, gravitational pull is an illusion. But weren't we just talking about gravitational mass and not gravitational pull? The law of universal gravitation provides a definition of gravitational mass as the property of matter that creates and responds to gravitational forces. Gravitational pull of the Earth is the attraction that the Earth exerts on an object or that an object exerts on the Earth. So gravitational mass and gravitational pull are two different things. So to say that because gravitational mass is equal to inertial mass, therefore makes gravitational pull an illusion, is absurd.
This flat Earth expert also says,
We should assume that it is indeed traveling in a straight line, as its experimental evidence points us to. The issue is with our naive view of geometry and space. Likewise, we take the view that is indeed in motion, not still.
like, really, dude? You provide no evidence to prove Earth travels in a straight line, and we take the view that Earth is in motion because it is.
We can't feel Earth's rotation or spin because we're all moving with it, at the same constant speed. Earth spins on an axis once in every 24-hour day. At Earth's equator, the speed of Earth's spin is about 1,000 miles per hour.
And if all flat earthers like to say that they can see with our eyeballs in their head that the Earth is flat as an argument, then I'm going to say we can see with our eyes that the Earth is in motion because we experience night and day at different times than other people on Earth.
Towards the end of this article, he's using another hypothetical situation to explain his logic.
Classic John!
And says here, we can see by comparison between a theoretical object in orbit and our ball at the apex of its climb that if not affected by gravity, it would travel a straight line. By repeating this, we see the Earth is flat. Okay, so this guy basically just admitted the Earth actually isn't flat because he's saying if it weren't for gravity pulling this theoretical ball down, it would travel in a straight line, and if it travels in a straight line, the Earth is proven as flat. But this theoretical ball we keep talking about is affected by gravity and therefore doesn't travel in a straight line, meaning Earth isn't flat, by his own logic.
I also figure I should point out that this guy bases part of his argument on the Ferrari effect, which was invented by Leo Ferrari, who was literally just a guy that made fun of flat earthers by making theories that he knew were absurd and untrue just to show how stupid flat earthers are.
Lastly, the article says it's written by John Davis and that he's the president of the Flat Earth Society, but on their page of the staff it says he's a secretary. So they can't even get their own positions right, so who are they to say that the Earth is flat?